Ballsy today, aren't we? You trying to order me around?
It's hollow justice, at best. Now that you know my secret, I can't let you live.
Refreshed? Let's go! I'll protect you.
Now that you've met me, do you feel starstruck? Doing things the simple way is boring. This way is more fun.
Life is full of suffering. Let this be your paradise.
The beating of your heart is a disturbance. Time to end our twisted fate. You have weakness all over. You don't deserve my mercy. What do you know about me? Try and take it.
Been looking for me? Even if it's a hunted shark, I'll bring it roaring back to life. Your arm? Looks fine to me. Like I said, I have no more business with you. I'm always open to new opportunities.
Brace yourself for a rare spectacle.
I will not give in to despair. With a steadfast resolve, we can secure our victory! Why don't you keep your crew in line first?
So, the footsteps following me were from you? Oh, it wasn't me?
Nothing in this world is free. Cream Pastry Legion, assemble! Oh yeah, we're unstoppable!
I will lend you my strength.
You don't realize I've got you in the palm of my hand. Hear my voice. A bunch of Sunday drivers dance straight. What, you think this is a joke?
I'll leave it to you.
Can you keep up with me? Do not surrender. Nothing in this world is free. You dare block my way? Primed and ready. Now floor it, full throttle. Need someone to ride with? Better bite down. Like I said, I know everything. So, you think you're ready to rumble? Good try. I'm always open to new opportunities.
Look closely at the foe you failed to overcome. Time to end our twisted fate. For the sake of peace, I'll be the villain I have to be.
Can you keep up with me? With me backing you up, losing ain't an option. A bunch of Sunday drivers.
What, you think this is a joke? You're in for a surprise! Come on, we can do it!
I will show you grace by granting you death.
Like I said, I know everything.
It's hollow justice, at best. Do I scare you?
Now, let us begin.
You don't deserve my mercy.
You dare block my way? Stand straight!
Nothing in this world is free. Are my sweet babies all ready? Wipe them out.
What do you know about me? Try and take it.
A bunch of Sunday drivers.
Do I have to?
Time to end our twisted fate. Above all, a sharpened spear is a cruel truth.
Like I said, I know everything.
Need someone to ride with? Over there.
Only because I'm nice.
I'll commend you for trying. But it's far from enough.
Now, Valencia, teach those baddies a lesson!
Oh.
I'm ready! Here, I make this with love.
Death has come for you. Not bad for such a wretched being. Accept what you deserve.
Oh, impressive.
The promises of this spear will not be forgotten. For the future of the Wind Tribe. This spear will be the spear of protection!
An enticing lure will always be reliable.
Run them through!
I'll hurry over. Here we go! Oh, so few!
Not surrender.
Subdue them.
Now,
Let me toughen you up a little.
do you need my help? Help me, please.
Shall we test fate?
Now!
I will not give in to despair.
Okay, let me give it a try. All together.
Get out of my way. You may be worth my attention.
I'm not just gonna sit by and watch. Let's team up. I told you, this is mine. I can't do it alone. We can do it together. Okay, let me give it a try. Wait a moment. It's snack time. Oh.
Look closely at the foe you failed to overcome.
It's best I end it here. I've more important matters to attend to.
You can do it too, right?
Try this on for size. The sun's intense today. There's not a wave out there that I can't surmount.
Impressive. Did my hand
To each their own! Violation of safety regulation!
rules are meant to be followed.
Ugh, just come all at once.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Kept you waiting. I'm here. Who's a little cute?
In a place like this.
I've got you in the palm of my hand.
Let my guard down!
You the one who hurt my family? Better hold on. Don't go flying off on me now.
Even if it's a hunk of junk, I'll bring it roaring back to life.
Unworthy soul. Let your death burgeon this land.
Blade Dragon.
Don't frown. You'll get wrinkles. You don't like me? Well, let me see if I can't change your mind. Huh.
I was careless.
Don't put all your faith in me.
I'll shatter. Your pride!
I was careless.
So I'll become ash.
Feel the melody. For the finale, an ensemble of grief and despair. I was careless.
Surrender.
A crack. I was careless.
Oh, really?
No.
Are you prepared for this?
You want me to straighten your hair?
Open the gates to paradise. I was careless. All English as I orchestrated.
Sorry.
I shall bestow a benediction almighty. I love your curls. You're a Lua hater? I'm popular, so you're better off keeping your mouth shut. Kneel.
I was careless.
Did you see how I made everyone kneel before me?